The overnight oats revolution, your breakfast game changer. Morning time. Hectic, right? We've all been there. Grabbing a coffee, rushing out the door. But hold on. What about breakfast, the most important meal? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Overnight oats are here to revolutionize your mornings. They're quick, easy, and oh so good for you. Imagine this, a delicious, creamy breakfast waiting for you in the fridge, ready to grab and go. That's the magic of overnight oats. No more excuses for skipping the most important meal of the day. With minimal effort, you can enjoy a nutritious and flavorful start that will power you through the morning. Overnight oats are the perfect solution for busy individuals and families. They're a cinch to prepare the night before, freeing up precious time in your morning routine. Plus, they're incredibly versatile, allowing you to customize your breakfast with your favorite flavors and toppings. So ditch the sugary cereals and embrace the overnight oats revolution. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. Time-saving nutrition, why overnight oats are a winner. In today's fast-paced world, convenience is key. We're all looking for ways to save time without compromising on health. That's where overnight oats truly shine. They're the ultimate grab-and-go breakfast, perfect for those rushed mornings. But their benefits go far beyond convenience. Overnight oats are packed with essential nutrients to fuel your body and mind. They're a fantastic source of fiber, which aids digestion and keeps you feeling full and satisfied. The soluble fiber in oats has also been linked to lower cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Additionally, oats are a good source of protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues. By choosing overnight oats, you're making a smart investment in your health. You're providing your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive, all while enjoying a delicious and satisfying meal. It's a win-win situation. The basic blueprint, crafting your perfect overnight oats. Ready to dive into the world of overnight oats? It's incredibly simple. The basic recipe requires just a few pantry staples. You'll need half a cup of rolled oats, choose old-fashioned or quick cooking, half a cup of milk, dairy or plant-based, half a teaspoon of chia seeds, optional for extra thickness and nutrients, a quarter teaspoon of vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, and sweetener of your choice, honey, maple syrup, or stevia. Combine all ingredients in a jar or container with a lid. Stir well to ensure the chia seeds are evenly distributed. Seal tightly and refrigerate overnight or for at least 4 hours. That's it. Your basic overnight oats are ready. In the morning, give them a good stir and enjoy cold straight from the fridge. You can also warm them up in the microwave for a comforting start to your day. Power up your jar. Unpacking the health benefits. Let's delve deeper into the nutritional powerhouses that make up your jar of overnight oats. Each ingredient contributes to a symphony of flavor and health benefits. Oats, the star of the show. Oats are a whole grain, packed with fiber, protein, vitamins, and minerals. They help regulate blood sugar levels, lower cholesterol, and promote gut health. Milk provides calcium for strong bones and teeth. Choose dairy milk or opt for plant-based alternatives like almond milk or soy milk for a dairy-free option. Chia seeds. Tiny, but mighty. Chia seeds are a complete protein, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids. They're also loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants. Vanilla extract adds a warm, comforting flavor. Vanilla extract is believed to have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Salt enhances the flavors of other ingredients and helps balance electrolytes. Sweetener adds a touch of sweetness. Choose natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup for added nutrients. Flavor burst creative twist for exciting oats. Now that you've mastered the basic recipe, it's time to unleash your creativity. Overnight oats are like a blank canvas, ready for your personal touch. The possibilities for customization are truly endless. Here are some ideas to inspire your culinary adventures. Fruity delights. Embrace the sweetness of fresh or frozen fruits. Nutty and nice. Add crunch and healthy fats with your favorite nuts and seeds. Spice up your life. Incorporate warming spices for a cozy and comforting breakfast. Superfood boost. Power pack your oats with nutrient-rich superfoods. Let your taste buds guide you as you experiment with different flavor combinations. Remember, there are no rules in the kitchen when it comes to overnight oats. Sweet sensations. Exploring fruity delights. Fruits are nature's candy, bursting with sweetness, flavor, and vitamins. Adding fruits to your overnight oats is a fantastic way to boost both nutrition and taste. Berries, blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries are packed with antioxidants and add a vibrant touch to your oats. Tropical fruits, mangoes, pineapples, and bananas bring a taste of the tropics to your breakfast bowl. Stone fruits, peaches, nectarines, and plums add a juicy sweetness and a beautiful pop of color. You can use fresh or frozen fruits depending on the season and availability. For a more intense flavor, consider roasting fruits like berries or stone fruits before adding them to your oats. Nutty and nice, adding crunch and healthy fats. Nuts and seeds are not only delicious but also provide a satisfying crunch and a dose of healthy fats, protein, and fiber. Almonds, a good source of vitamin E, magnesium, and fiber. Walnuts, rich in omega-3 fatty acids which are beneficial for heart health. Cashews, creamy and buttery. Cashews are a good source of iron and zinc. Pumpkin seeds, packed with magnesium, zinc, and omega-3 fatty acids. Flax seeds, a great source of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. Grind them before adding to your oats for better nutrient absorption. Toast nuts and seeds lightly to enhance their flavor and aroma. Spice up your life. Warming flavors for cozy mornings. For a warm and comforting breakfast, consider adding spices to your overnight oats. Spices not only enhance flavor but also offer various health benefits. Cinnamon, a versatile spice with a warm, sweet flavor. Cinnamon is known for its blood sugar regulating properties. Nutmeg adds a warm, slightly sweet and nutty flavor. Nutmeg is believed to have anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger, a pungent spice with a slightly sweet and spicy flavor. Ginger is known for its digestive benefits. Cardamom, a warm, aromatic spice with a slightly sweet and citrusy flavor. Cardamom is believed to have antioxidant properties. Add spices to your oats along with other ingredients and let them infuse overnight for a more intense flavor. Superfood Boost, power packing your oats. Take your overnight oats to the next level by adding nutrient-rich superfoods. Cacao nibs, crunchy bits of roasted cacao beans. Cacao nibs are packed with antioxidants and have a slightly bitter chocolate flavor. Goji berries, small, bright red berries with a slightly sweet and tangy flavor. Goji berries are high in antioxidants and vitamins. Hemp seeds, a complete protein source. Hemp seeds are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. Bee pollen, a natural energy booster. Bee pollen is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Spirulina, a blue-green algae. Spirulina is a complete protein and a rich source of antioxidants. Sprinkle superfoods on top of your oats before serving or mix them in for an extra boost of nutrition. From jar to joy. Embrace the overnight oats lifestyle. Overnight oats are more than just a breakfast recipe, they're a lifestyle choice. By incorporating overnight oats into your routine, you're prioritizing your health and well-being without sacrificing convenience or flavor. Imagine waking up every morning with a delicious and nutritious breakfast waiting for you in the fridge. No more rushing, no more excuses. Just grab your jar of overnight oats and head out the door, fueled and ready to conquer the day. Overnight oats are incredibly versatile, making them perfect for busy individuals, families, athletes, and anyone looking for a healthy and convenient breakfast option. They're also a great way to use up leftover ingredients and reduce food waste. Join the movement. A call to overnight oats action. Ready to join the overnight oats revolution? It's time to ditch the sugary cereals and embrace a breakfast that's both delicious and nutritious. Start by gathering your favorite ingredients and experimenting with different flavor combinations. Don't be afraid to get creative and make it your own. Share your creations with friends and family and inspire them to try this breakfast game changer. Once you experience the ease, convenience, and deliciousness of overnight oats, you'll wonder why you haven't tried them before. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your jar, get creative, and embrace the overnight oats lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy health tips. Share and leave a comment. Enjoy your oats, and I'll see you next time.